Hi everyone, I'm Luke Forrest from the Hashgraph Developer Relations team and one of the judges for Hedera today. So first question, quick show of hands, who's currently using Claude Code? Cool, and keep them up now if you are currently using plugins, skills, and MCP service. Great. So what we have built for you to help you build on Hedera is some plugins, skills, and MCP servers. So if you scan this QR code now, this will take you to the repo that we've built for you, which actually has 5 plugins for you to utilize. Oh, sorry. There you go. Go back. Cool. Just wait for everyone to be done. Great. So within this repo, we have 5 plugins for you. We've got the Hedera Agent Kit plugin. This integrates seamlessly with our Agent Kit framework. So if you're building AI agents and need to transfer HBAR, create tokens or read on-chain data, that will really help you out. We've got our Dev Intelligence plugin as well, which contains 3 skills: the project scaffolding, quality gates, and session management. The project scaffolding will help you build out your project and scaffold it out. The Hackathon Helper as well, we'll touch on that a little bit more in a second, because this is our main plugin that will really help you out if you're building on Hedera today. The Native Services plugin as well, which contains 2 skills, the Hedera Token Service and the Hedera Consensus Service skills, which will help you integrate seamlessly with Hedera's SDKs. We also have the System Contracts plugin as well, which contains the HTS system contract. So if you're minting tokens, or if you're using the schedule service. So now for the Hackathon Helper skill, effectively what this contains is 2 skills: the Hackathon PRD, which will help you build out your idea. If you're building something on Hedera, run this skill first. If you're looking to build a particular item, this will help you out in a big way. It contains a lot of our judging criteria as well, so it will help you build out your project in a way that will score the highest on Hedera. We also have the Validate Submission skill. This is a huge skill. So once you've built out your MVP, once you're ready to bring it to the judging, run it through this first, and this will validate your idea. It will check to make sure that you've integrated Hedera properly, and it will really help you out. So we're going to do a live install as well. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with how to install the plugin on Hedera. Just bear with me 2 seconds and I'll bring it up for you. Okay, great. So I've actually got my split screen here, so it's a bit hard for me to see, but I will try it anyway. So it's super easy to install. It's just plug in Marketplace, add Hedera, Dev, Hedera skills. Does that look right to you, or have I messed that up massively? What's that? Oh, 2Ds in Hedera. Tell me when I've gone back enough. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There? Keep going. Oh, wow. So I really messed it up. Yeah, okay. So where am I now? H? Hedera. There we go. Yeah? Cool. So hopefully that works. What's that? Oh, no. Hang on. 1 sec. Let's change to entire screen. Start mirroring. Cool. That's a bit better. Cool. So run that in Claude, not in your CLI. So that's installed now. So you can see here we've installed the marketplace. You've got the Hedera Skills marketplace, which contains all of those plugins that we just spoke about, including the Hackathon Helper here. So if we go ahead and install that and reload plugins. Cool. So, has anyone got an idea of what they want to build on Hedera that we can then use to pass through that initial PRD skill? If not, I do have one that we can use. No? Cool. Bear with me 2 seconds. Cool. So, you can speak to it in natural language as well. So this here is going to create a hackathon PRD for a token-gated event check-in app where attendees can get HTS tokens for session attendance that unlock tiered perks with an organizer dashboard powered by the Hedera Mirror node. So this will now bring us through multiple questions here and talk to us in natural language as well. Can everyone see okay? Is that big enough for you? Yeah? Great. You can see there it's asking what we're going to be using on Hedera, which is HCS and HTS. HCS is Hedera Consensus Service, which is an immutable record of events using topics, completely fair ordered, no front running. Now it is asking team composition, how many people, roles, skills, top 3 to 5 MVP features. If we just say choose any, this is a really basic idea here that we can choose from. And this should go away now and build out the PRD document, and from there you can scaffold out your idea. What's that? Oh, close to the mic. Okay, there we go. So you can see now it'll take a few seconds to run through that. And while it's doing that, I can take you through the rest of the presentation. So now that that's installed and running through, we also have an MCP as well. So we recently migrated our docs to Mintlify, which has an MCP installed on it. So if you scan that document, it will take you to the Hedera docs site and tell you how to install that. Super easy to install. All you need to do is run Claude MCP add transport HTTP, this command here, and that will also be on that Hedera docs site as well, which will allow you to integrate seamlessly with our docs site. So if you're using the PRD or the Hackathon Helper plugin, as well as the validator, the PRD generator, this will help you out massively. So any questions regarding those plugins or the MCP or Hedera in general? No? Cool. So just to recap, our bounties, we have AI and agentic payments. So that's 6,000 total prize pool for that, split along 2 winners. We also have tokenization on Hedera, which is 1,250 each, 2 winners there. No solidity allowed, so Hedera SDKs only, no smart contracts, so native services only. There's 3 winners for that one, $1,000 each. We also have the IO builders, Nario bounty as well, which is split between 3 people. First place is $2,000 and $750 between the 2 runner-ups. So Good luck, everyone, and enjoy the weekend.